Estä, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun. Hi, how you doing? I know. You doing good? Okay, that's good to know. Before we get started with this video, I just want to give a huge shout out to my OGs. I appreciate you guys for sticking with me from day one, and I want to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers, y'all. I thought I wouldn't make it without you. My singing is horrible, but other than that, let me go ahead and get started with this video. I know what you came here for. You wanted to know what's tea and what kind of tips I got for you. I know that you've been holding a secret for a very long time, and I just want you to know that I understand, okay? Your reties hurt, don't it? I know it does. You ain't gotta tell me. I am the law queen of tenderheadedness, okay? So, I'm not gonna say I found a cheat code, but I got some tips that can relieve some tension after retightening though. You might hear it, or you might have heard of it before, but if you haven't, hey, I got you. Yeah, I got you. Alright, so the tips that I'm going to give you is real simple, real easy. It's easy to follow. I'm telling you, it's helped me, it's helped my clients, and it's also helped other people too. So, alright. What you're gonna do, you're gonna section your hair into small sections, and once you do that, you are going to put a rubber band at the end of your hair. When I say that that's very important, it's very important. It's either you braid, band, or twist your hair, rubber band. You're gonna get in the shower, you're gonna drench your hair. You drench your hair with water. You're gonna let the water run down your hair for about a good 10 minutes. Now, there is another option, which I don't recommend if you do not know what you're doing. You can actually wash your hair with shampoo, okay? You can wash your hair after retightening. I've done it multiple times before with my clients, and I've done it with myself. I'm at a mature stage. I do not braid and band my hair when I wash after retightening, but those that are in the earlier stages, I would recommend that 100% to braid and band or twist your hair and rubber band it towards the end. I would totally recommend that, okay? All right, very important. The rubber bands at the end is muy important. Once you're basically done with, loosening your hair in the shower, you get out, you would blow dry or sit under the dryer, or you could air dry your hair. I'm not a fan of air drying, so that's the reason why I say blow dry your hair. All right, so I'm pretty sure some of you guys are like, okay, Buns, that sounds like a great idea, but sis, I don't have the time. Sometimes I gotta go and I don't have the time to sit on the shower to let the water and all this extra stuff. Like, sis, you doing the most. All right, but I got something even easier. All you gotta do is take a spray bottle. You would add some water, aloe vera juice, and mint leaves, and you'll put it in your refrigerator, okay? Now, when I say aloe vera juice, you can go out in your garden to get the plant and scrape it. I do know that the lifespans of that is very short, so I would tell you to just use it for about a week or a week and a half, and then you dump it, okay? Do not keep it in your fridge for 30 days and think that it's still good to use. No. You still can get the jug of gallon, I think it's a jug or a gallon of aloe vera juice, and you make it that way. Once the concoction's made, you would basically separate your hair into sections and spray in the scalp. I wouldn't say spray the whole hair because we're not focusing on the hair. We're basically focusing on the issue at hand here, which is the tension in the scalp. Okay, so you're just gonna spray the scalp. This works when it's cool, okay? The concoction works when it's cool, meaning it needs to be refrigerated. I do not recommend freezing this because it's a waste of time if you freeze it. I do not recommend you making more than 4 ounces because you only get your hair done from 4 to 8 weeks. So this is something that, you know, you just use for the first 3 for the first 3 days or for the first 4 days of your retie, of your fresh, well, your post retie. I know you guys are so tired of hearing this on my channel, and if it's your first time watching me, this is probably the first time you're gonna hear me say this, but baby, my next tip, please wear a scarf or do-rag after your retie, okay? Your fresh retie needs to stay crispy, okay? Please wrap your hair up at night, okay? I do understand we love the bonnets, but at the same time, sis is always at the edge of the bed. If she's not at the edge of the bed, she's under the bed. If she's not under the bed, it's in the kitchen. Like, how did you get in the kitchen? Like, so, a do-rag or scarf, or a lock sock. A lot of people have been using lock socks instead of bonnets, so I would recommend that. Okay? We're here, right? Okay. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification to get alerts whenever I post a new video. Of course, you already know you gotta hit that like button. Y'all like this video? I bet. All right, I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye. Side note, Estä here. All right, so I got a bonus tip for you. Okay, you listening? Okay, so the concoction that I was talking about earlier, right? You can actually use that as like a dry shampoo. You would just take a microfiber towel and you would spray some of it on the towel, and you would clean the designated area that needs to be cleaned. I know you can actually do this in between washes. All right, cool. Bye.